Kiri Engine app, user fact.
Q1. Why is my model not scanned well? Take a picture every 15 degrees around the object. Ensure that every angle is covered and there are no dead ends. The clearer the picture, the better. Stay patient. Don't try to save time and shoot continuously. The clearer the picture, the better the final model. Q2. What if you don't want the background to be scanned in? If you don't want the background to appear in the screen, try to make the object occupy 80% of the screen when shooting. The best way is not to shoot the background. Other warm tips. 1. Remember not to move objects during shooting. 2. Do not exit the interface when uploading after shooting, until the upload is 100% complete. 3. After the upload process is successful, clicking export will generate a link. After opening it is the 3D model you scanned, can be imported into other 3D model software to use. Have you learned it? Kiri test. Select the items that can be scanned in the following 4 items. A. Solid color smooth objects. B. Your cat. C. Smooth reflective bowl. D. Transparent items. Have you figured out the answer? Tell me your answer in comments. 2D to 3D is just that simple.